Hello people, and welcome back to the channel. We've got something great for you today. But before we go into that, don't forget, please just like, subscribe and comment below. So we have now sold the R8. Sad, yes, I know, but it had to go. And we've got something for you as a small interim project that we're going to be getting to grips with. Check it out. So here is the first thing that has come for our replacement vehicle. I'm going to open this up for you guys so you get to see this first as well as me. And let's see what is lurking behind the packaging. It's like opening a Christmas present. I said to the company, can you make sure that you secure them? And they said, yeah, don't worry, we'll package them very well. We're getting there, we're getting there. We actually ordered these around about 2 weeks ago, but because there's been some recent postal strikes with Royal Mail, we've had to wait a little bit longer. Now this should reveal kind of where we're going now with the next car. Are you guys ready? And there we go. The new wheels for the next car and its next chapter. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get these into the workshop. Let's get them on. Let's go. So guys, we're at the halfway point now. We've got the wheels changed. Oh, fantastic, looks superb. I was a little bit skeptical about making that wheel change from this style to the all black. But yeah, as you can see, fantastic. We'll finish the other side off now, and then we'll see how it looks at the end. Okay guys, so that's a wrap for today. Just look at that. Look at that. I think we've made the best choice and decision here with the wheels. The black really makes the yellow pop ever so more now. I just feel like it's give a more of a cleaner finish and a cleaner line, and it was looking a little bit complicated to with the silver finish against the black and the Sao Paulo yellow. So yeah, no, I'm really happy. I'm interested to see where we're going to be going with this now. So just stay tuned.